reminds us, time's flying. So let's examine his wings. About 1 million years ago, come next Tuesday, there lived a small creature like a lizard. As time went on, a change took place. It grew feathers. The creature became warm-blooded, and the first bird was born. Here's how it evolved. Wings are really the arms of the feathered world, and you'll notice how closely they resemble the arm in shape. But the feathers didn't grow all at once. They grew bit by bit into a perfect little winglet. It's strange to reflect that while man has been flying a mere 40 years, nature's other creatures have had wings for 100 million years. The carrier pigeon is an ally of the mechanical pigeon, the aeroplane. And it might surprise you to know that the bird can fly at over a mile a minute. The RAF use these little flyers a great deal, and as message bearers they're very reliable. The Army use them too. There are specialists in both services whose sole job is to look after the pigeon messengers. Trained homers are brought to the firing line, and sometimes the pigeon is the only means of communication. Wings again prove their worth. At least twice as fast as the pigeon is the swallow, and here's the secret. You'll easily identify the swallow by his markings. Much faster still is the American plover. A non-stop migratory flight like this has been timed at an average of 200 miles an hour. Unlike our machine-made heavy bombers, nature's heavies, the eagles, photographed by courtesy of the London Zoo, can actually sleep on the wing. That goes for the vultures too, though they look too ungainly to fly at all. Remember the Mayo composite plane, one on top of the other? There was nothing really new in that. The little wren rides on the back of the owl. But does that make the owl wild? Just the reverse. Morning, nice day. It was Icarus who started all this. Legend says he made himself wings and stuck them on with wax. Icarus was a trier as well as a flyer, but he flew too near the sun and his wings melted off. So it was a case of back to the drawing board. For all the gigantic wingspan of planes, the fastest creature is a wee fly. It could quite comfortably keep in front of a 12-inch shell.
Hey, what's the matter? Engine trouble?